A student while added one number twice, and therefore got the sum as 1000. A student while added one number twice and got the sum as 1000. How many numbers were written on the board? Which number he added twice? How many numbers were written on the board? And which number he added twice? How many numbers were written on the board and which number he added twice? See. Which number he added twice? See. There are certain consecutive natural numbers starting from 1 which are written on a board. If I add every number once, can I say it will be n into n plus 1 by 2? But in this number, there is one number which is added twice. That I call it as x. Can I say x could be any number from 1 to n? This is nothing but equivalent to 1000. I hope this step is clear. If I add every number once, it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. There is one number which is added twice, so plus x. Now, can I say that n into n plus, this I will prove it, n into n plus 1 is nearer to 1000. N plus 1 is closer to n, so n square will be closer to 2000. What is the perfect square that is just less than 2000? 44 square is 1936. So n is 44. You will get a doubt why approximate became equivalent. I will prove that less than 44 no value will be possible, greater than 44 no value will be possible. Suppose if I take 45. If I take 45 into 46 by 2, these are 23. 23 5s are 115. 92 plus 1, 11, 1035. To 1035 you are adding something and you want to make the number 1000. Is it possible? No. That means greater than 44 it is not possible. Think logically. Suppose if I take 40 into 41 by 2. When I am taking n value 40, that means x will be any number from 1 to 40. This is 20, this is 820. To 820 only if you add the maximum value 40. What is 820 plus 40? 860. Right? But how much I require? Some 1000. If 40 is not able, can 30 be possible? 30 will become 30 into 31 by 2. 465. To 465, if you add maximum value 30, still you will not get 1000. That means n value less than or equivalent to 40 not possible. Let me see whether 43 is possible. 43 into 44 by 2, 22, 6, 946. If I take 43 number, sum will become 946. To 946 if you add 43, which is maximum amount 1 to 43. What is 946 plus 43? 989. But what is the sum? 1000. Less than 44, no value will satisfy. Greater than 44, no value will satisfy. So what is the answer? N has to be 44. So total numbers which are written on a board is 44 plus x is 1000, 22, 990 plus x is 1000. Number written twice is 10. Numbers written on a board is 44. Number written twice is 10. Take a perfect square just less than this value. These are all the ways to prove that n greater than 44 not possible, less than 44 not possible. Just do some values, you will understand that why less than 44, greater than 44 is not possible. It is also a previous year calculation.